video 3. I have another video coming to show my design, but here was what I was telling you about. I call this hurricane strap. I don't know what it's called. Some kind of metal connect jiggy bob thing. All it does is help strengthen the top from shear loads. It's on the other side like that too, and you can see another piece here that's going to hold the bloody knuckle there. And this is going to hold the 2x4s together. That will hold this structure together, part of it anyway. Got another one, see, being held up by my lovely assistant, this ladder. A 10-foot 2x4. It's going to connect to this triangle here in the same fashion at the bottom. And at the top, those things are super strong, by the way. They will hold all kinds of weight, but that's not going to be the only thing that's holding this together. We're also going to do the same thing here. This is going to be the base, and it will also be done the same way at the base. And then I'm sure you're wondering where the panels are going to go. It's called the hypotenuse, the front of the triangle, or the long part here. And I'll show you all the lovely tools and toys, tricks and gadgets. Here's the super strut. I think this is 1 5/8, and I want to say 12 gauge if I remember correctly. It's thick. Let me show you. I don't know if you can see that or not, but there it is. And here's a finger to get an idea. If you can see that, it's pretty bright out here. But these are the portions here, and there'll be a nut that goes in here and a bolt that goes down in there, and we'll show you how to do that a little later. Those guys are not cheap, however. They're significantly cheaper than Unirack still. This entire structure will cost right around $500. So if you were to do a similar thing and put these on your roof with the Unirack and all the specialty stuff and the grounding straps and the connectors and all this stuff you got to buy in bulk, it would be easily $1,500. Easily. I'll show you the roof here. And I figured I was going to have my panels up there. If that angle's good enough, I'll just copy that. Everybody's telling me, put it at the latitude that you live at, which would be 31 for us. And if we were to do that, it'd be real good in the summertime, but not real good in the winter time. So we went with 40 degrees, slightly in between. And after a year of watching, that seems to be the best angle for us. And I kind of figured that out on my own, like making a sundial, right? You mark and mark and mark, and you get an angle off of that. If you want to figure out how to do that, there's plenty of places online that'll show you, but that's the concept I got. Here's some panels, the old ones. I'm probably going to sell these 175 waters here, these black ones, monocrystalline. Everything else I have is polycrystalline. Really doesn't seem to be much of a difference, to be honest. But that's all I got for now. I don't know what my dog's trying to find. Hopefully a place we're going to mount our solar panels or something. Alright, say goodbye, dog. Until next time.